Touch a Tractor Day in Westchester.
Touch a Tractor Day. Touch a Tractor. Here. Right here.
It's actually a fundraiser to raise money that the Bronxville Junior League puts together to raise money to end hunger and things like that.
And the kids get to touch a tractor, so you can't go wrong. So they said the parking lot was at full capacity, and to loop around and to look for street parking and so on and so forth. However, I found a spot right away. Now, what I'm doing now right here, I'm loading up with some bribery. These are bribe pops. So I'm gonna put these in my pocket right now and hope for the best. Hopefully I won't have to use them. This is kind of like having mace for children. Don't quote me on that. Here we go. Look at that fire truck.
And look at that bouncy house.
That bouncy house. Hey.
Ooh, you have that.
What's up?
So Blake says that Rome is funny. Oh, believe me. Look, I guess because
You're directing traffic, Rome? No. Where you want to go, Blakey?
Oh, there's a right.
Where are we going? Are we gonna ride on the choo-choo train? Oh my goodness, are you excited? Are you excited, Blakey?
Yeah.
Let's go on the other side. Come on, let's go. There's a Sky Mall magazine in there and a barf bag. This is so cool. All right. No, we can't touch the buttons. All right. We're gonna jump out of the helicopter. Whoa! Whoa! You know, when I was a kid, if my parents would have brought me to a place like this where I get to sit in a helicopter and I get to see like the fire trucks and I get to do all this stuff, like I would have been like super excited.
But no, you were whining.
Look at that. It's just a bunch of whiners today. You know what you're being? A batata.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. I don't want to see that truck.
Okay, we're just gonna look at it. We don't have to go in there. A good day or a bad day?
Bye.
You're having a bad day? Why?
Because I want ice cream.
Because you want ice cream. I know. This pizza is really good. It was from over there. It was made out of a truck. Really good.
Baby, have a little water.
You're happy you got your ice cream?
I want to eat it.
You're eating your ice cream now, Blakey? You got an ice cream mustache. Look at Blakey's ice cream mustache.
And mommy sneaks a spoonful now and then.
And I just watch because there isn't enough for me.
I wish, like the days like that.
They had pumpkin pie. I'm sensing a pattern, Logan. I always end up carrying you. Why do I always end up carrying you?
Because I'm carrying you.
tired?
Yes. I'm hungry too.
You ready to go home?
No.
We did it. Another fun adventure.
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun? All right, now we're tired. Now it's time to go home and relax.
It was fun for them, tiring for us.